Hi, thank you so much for considering the Luxe Home Team in your home buying journey. I kind of wanted to go over just a little bit about what to expect when you work with the Luxe Home Team. We always offer buyers an initial sit-down consultation meeting. During this meeting, we're going to go over the home buying process, as well as the agency relationship paperwork and the purchase contract. I'd also like to take the time to highly recommend that you do get your pre-approval prior to our meeting. It's extremely important to have this so that we understand your buying power when it comes to looking for your new home, and we can set up your search parameters directly at our meeting. I also have my trusted lender here, Todd Novosel, and he's going to tell us a little bit about what to expect during that pre-approval process.
Getting pre-approved is an important first step in your home buying journey. When you apply with a lender, we will review your income, assets, and debts and determine what you qualify for. Another thing that I will do with you is sit down up front and go through what you're qualified for, explain all of the terminology and the things that are hard to understand in the buying process, and make sure that you're comfortable moving forward. We'll also discuss what your max purchase price is and the criteria around what is due at closing to make sure you're comfortable with the payment and the cash to close. Being an informed buyer is very important in this market because it allows you to react quickly and make an offer with confidence.
It's all about being informed, and we look forward to working with you.